All right, so y'all know what the day is. Today's Sunday. Uh, every Sunday, y'all know what's up. Anyway, I put some filters on my mic, on my little OBS or whatever, and by Wednesday I can tell if I need it, like take that shit off or not. Cause sometimes I don't even be hearing myself, but I be talking, but I guess I don't know. I don't know if I don't be talking loud enough or my mic be too low. One of the two. Anyway, PMI Monday. Uh, got some news Monday. No crazy news Tuesday. Uh, FOMC Wednesday, and then Thursday we got jobless claims, unemployment, per usual. So let's talk about what happened last week on in the market. Anyway, what happened last week in the market? We had some type of move up, and mainly I want to say mainly it was based off the earnings. Who reported? I know Amazon reported earnings. They hit on their earnings. Apple reported earnings. I think I know Snapchat reported earnings. I'm trying to think of who else. It was a few companies that reported earnings, but I feel like that's the reason the market kind of moved up. No deals has been making. No deals has been made with China. Uh, so we just you gotta see. I'm keeping my ear to the noise. I'm trying to hear all the news that they talking about. I don't even remember doing that. But anyway, let me tell you what I got. Boom, SPY. I said SPY breaking hold above 570. Uh, but I believe it's gonna come back down to 555. This 555 area, because I think yeah, a gap up. I ain't gonna get too ahead of myself, but yeah, gap up at this 555 level. Um, that's all I got on SPY. And I'm in the near future. You feel me? I'm gonna try to make these videos even better so I can you feel me? I can really take plays off this shit. But anyway, that's my theory on SPY. I believe it's gonna come back down to like the 50. You feel me? The 50 EMA right here. Uh, back down to this level. Somewhere in between this level. It's high right now. So it's bound to come back down eventually. But anyway, to Qs. Same with the Qs. I say retest a 475, back up the highs. Feel me? Same thing. Cause I believe we still bull, but we just gotta see. You feel me? You just gotta see. Shout out Cunham. I had text Cunham. I was like, are you in any long positions? And he was like, nah, he's still waiting for confirmation. So I mean, I can definitely can see that, cause price been running up, but it like off no real news. Like if you look at the volume, like the volume, I mean, it ain't really all that. It ain't really all. It ain't no real bull volume, but price been going up. But yeah, that was just very interesting. But anyway, Apple is near 200. It's 5 points away, $5 away from 200. Um, but I did say I do like Apple, a breaking hold above 209, but it's near 200. So definitely will be on the lookout for Apple. Apple did report earnings. Um, not too shabby on Apple. Um, let me see something right fast. So I want to see if it hold this level come tomorrow, pre-market, whatever. Really to open. Maybe it comes down right under here and goes back up, but we shall see. Um, but yeah, that's Apple. Let me go back to the daily. And yeah, wait, hold on. Before I get off Apple, Apple just it been going up. Apple just been going up crazy. I'm not going up crazy, but it just been going up like consistent green days. Like very interesting on Apple. The video, I will see your ass tomorrow in the video. I got something special for your ass. Anyway, in the video, I think it's gonna go back into the 110, 111 level. I mean 110, 111 zone. Uh, and then possibly go back up to highs. Uh, that's just my theory on the video. That's just my theory. I said last week in the video above 115, but it never closed above 115. Uh, let me think about what the video did this week. The video was when the market opened, like right here. Hold on, let me scout right fast. So on the video had a down move. What is it like? Yeah, Wednesday. Then it had shot back up. I think I seen this shit kind of. When it shot back up, broke, even retested it. You feel me? It went crazy. But I don't know. I don't know. I gotta look back on Wednesday. But anyway, again, the video to that 110, 111 level, that zone. Matter of fact, that zone, and then possibly back up to 115. Um, just very interesting on the video. I like playing with the video. The videos the video be moving. I think it's one of my favorite stocks. I cannot lie, cause this probably my most traded stock. It gotta be. I think the video gotta be like my most traded stock. Yeah, I think it has to be. But anyway, I may just get super fire with the video and just don't trade nothing else. But nah, um, definitely liking the video for it to go back down. But we will see come pre-market and come 9:30 tomorrow. And last but not least, Amazon. Amazon. Let me go to the weekly. Amazon had a doji on the weekly. Um, I know they had earnings. Yeah, they had earnings. You feel me? 16. I don't think this is not a crazy beat. It's not a crazy beat on the earnings. It's not a crazy beat. But I can see with these two candles, the buyers are pushing it up. You feel me? Buyers pushing it up at this level. But we still have to see. I believe it's gonna bounce off 185. You feel me? I'm hoping it bounce off 185. I know that's a level. That's a strong support demand level. We go to the hourly 185. Boom. So it helped since what? It was the 24th. What was hold on, what was so the 24th was last Thursday. Okay, I want to make sure I wasn't tripping. So yeah, it was holding since like last Thursday. Then it broke what Wednesday, and then made a move up. So I ain't gonna lie, I ain't gonna say you probably could have expected it to go up, but the earnings, the earnings, the earnings made it. I like looking at this. I would have thought, okay, boom, it's going down to go crazy up, but it didn't go crazy up. The earnings, it didn't surpass the earnings by a lot. So I think that's why the stock didn't really go too crazy. Same with Apple, but yeah, uh, yeah, 185 bounce, somewhere around this level, somewhere or 187. 187 would be cool too, but 185 definitely, and that's where the 21 at off the daily. Where the 20? I don't know. Yeah, it'll be way higher. 185 hourly, 200. Oh, my bad, 184 off the 200 hourly. But yeah, that's my theory for next week. I do need to. I know I said this, but I really have to. I gotta write this shit down, and then like fucking put this shit on my wall, like so where I can see it. Cause let me go back right fast. This was hold on. What was last Sunday? Last Sunday was 420. Oh hell no, it was 427. That's what I thought. Hold on, hold on, cause I definitely okay. Boom. I said SPY 560 calls. Above 560 calls. I mean SPY was playing around a lot, I believe. SPY be doing a lot of shit, bro. You just gotta dead ass pay attention to it. I know SPY had dropped. SPY had dropped, went up, it, bro. SPY was just moving. Um, I said 560 call, shit at 566. Qs above that level that I was talking about. You feel me? 475. It spanked 475. Even got a retest right here. Well, yeah, broke retest at this. What is this? At 34, the 34 cloud. You feel me? Right at that 34, it went back up, and this was like post market though, so can't really trade that. Went up pre market, woody whoop, and then Apple. Anyway, make a long story short, I just gotta pay more attention to this shit. But it's not like I'm not, but I did have to pay more attention to it, cause feel me, price be moving. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Finna go have some fun. Hopefully y'all enjoy y'all Sunday.